How to fix Gmail login error on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily fix your login error on iPhone for Gmail. Now the process itself is simple and easy. First things first, you want to make sure your credentials that you have used during login is correct, and if it is correct and if you are still getting the login error, then it might be due to some glitch or bug within the app. Now to fix it, what you want to do is you want to head back and you want to head into settings on your device. Once you tap on settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down here and you want to head into general options. Once on general, you want to head into iPhone storage option. You should get an interface like this. You can see it's loading up. Now you want to scroll down and you want to look for Gmail right here, and you can see Gmail. You want to tap on it, and now here the trick is, in order to fix the issue, you want to simply tap on upload app. What this does is it'll basically reset your app as new, and it'll remove any credentials as well. It'll remove any glitches or bugs within the app, so it will fix the issue. So this way you can fix the login error for Gmail on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.